So a brand new feature just came out with Apple Music called Apple Music Sing. And what it allows you to basically do is it allows you to basically do a karaoke mode with your iPhone, which is so cool, or any other Apple product that supports it. Now to do this on your iPhone, you will have to have iOS 16.2 or newer. So keep that in mind. If you're not on 16.2, the RC or newer, you will not be able to do this. Now, following the instructions is very, very basic. 9 to 5 Mac had a really good basic write-up of how to do this. I personally don't even use Apple Music, but to do this, what you want to do, first of all, you have to keep in mind not every song is capable either. So if it's a brand new song, if it's a song that is not compatible, just keep that in mind. Not every song is compatible. So what we're going to want to do is make sure we're on iOS 16.2. You want to go into Apple Music, so open up your Apple Music application. So go straight here, and you want to find the song that you want to go ahead and try out. So just go ahead and search up the songs. If you wanted to search up like a Drake song, whatever, just go and search up, maybe not that, search up Drake, whatever you want to do. And essentially, you're going to basically find the song. I'm assuming a lot of Drake songs are probably supported. So then what you want to do there is you want to go ahead and make sure you have the lyrics open. So at the very bottom, there's going to be a little panel right there that shows you the lyrics. So if you like go and zoom in a little bit, you want to click on the lyrics option right there. I don't even know why it restarted. So just like right there, and then you want to go ahead and basically once the lyrics are pulled up, you will then be able to click on this little karaoke button right there. So what that basically allows you to do is basically you'll see this little option come up. You want to go and click on the karaoke button, which is right there. And from there, this is the coolest part. You'll basically be able to go ahead and change the volume of the karaoke, which is basically just the song volume of the person singing. So if this person is singing, whoever this is, right? You'll be able to move the volume up and down just by doing that. And that is a really cool thing that you have the ability of doing now. So personally, that's really awesome. And that's basically how it's done. You can always go back to your regular song if you just go through and just, click out of it. But that is basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.